Welcome to Tech Talk with Etech. I'm Tech Bob, and today's all about service. Let's talk tech. This is Steve, or as we refer to him, Solder Steve. Steve's been a board-level technician with us for about 5 years now. He goes above and beyond the repair scope to help the customer in whatever need. An example of this is a customer that went to multiple repair shops being told their device was liquid damaged and the data was lost forever. They were told it was impossible. Steve made it possible and gave the customer back their data. Steve is also pretty quick with these repairs. He can do a common repair known as a TriStar repair, which is a charging issue, in about 5 minutes, as to where the average tech takes about 20 to 30. Another one of our team members that goes above and beyond for our customers is Bryce. He leads our sales team, he makes sure that last-minute orders get pushed through, and he also offers services such as board-level repair and training. Overall, Bryce is pretty awesome. Remember, if you want parts, tools, and knowledge, Tech Talk with Etech has got you covered. Tech Bob out.